I would say one of the things that I worry about for the future when it comes to the parachute is making sure that we maintain the knowledge that we've gained. So there's a lot of people who have gained a lot of experience. We've developed a lot of, call it tribal knowledge, and making sure that that's all captured so that it can be used in the future. When Orion program managers in the future are trying to squeeze more performance out of the vehicle, having that understanding of what are the limitations of the parachute. And then in addition to that, right now this is a government furnished equipment, a GFE project, and someday it might continue to be GFE. It might be that we give this over to a prime contractor, and making sure all of that knowledge transfer and that people are worried, so to speak, about the right things, that they maintain the level of detail that we have in terms of the inspection procedures that we do, how we do the packing, how do we do that integration. Those are all, that attention to detail is where the parachute might end up failing. When it comes to reentry, I feel fairly confident that the parachutes will perform if they are deployed as intended within our operational requirements. I say that based on the development testing that we've been able to do and ultimately the qualification testing that we'll do. But I take, what I worry about a little bit is things that are maybe a little bit outside of our control. For example, I believe it was Apollo 15 where there was a parachute failure. And we have a parachute expert on our team that was around during the Apollo days, and he talks about that parachute didn't fail, it was murdered. And what he means by that is they believe that it was an RCS dump that took place that caused that parachute failure. And so it's the interactions of the parachute with other subsystems on the vehicle that we've tried to incorporate into our requirements, whether it's the abrasion requirements or it's contamination due to RCS, fuel and things like that might somehow get on the parachutes. It's those things outside of what it is that we've considered that I would worry about the most.